na hindi mo na kailangan pumila sa traditional bank para magkaroon ka ng credit card. Meron siyang interest-free na promo which is a 40 days interest-free. Mga may bago tayong i-review. Hindi siya Ola, hindi siya fly-by-night, pero legit po siya. Na credit card. Yes, bagong credit card siya. Actually, hindi lang siya credit card. It's more of like a buy now, pay later na meron na siyang card which is parang nagsisilbing credit card na din. Sino ba itong tinutukoy ko? Kilala niyo na kung sino yung pinaka-mother lending or company name niya. Siya po ay si WeFund Lending. O, diba? So, under siya ni One Hand. Itong credit card na to, ang pangalan niya ay si Love It. L-U-V-I-T. Yes, Love It. Ang nag-feed kasi sa aking Facebook is mga pautangan, hindi ba? Biglang sumulpot itong si Love It. Sino ba to? Sabi, nung una, hindi ko pinapansin kasi parang ano lang siya. Ads lang siya na parang hindi pinapansin. Pero nung pag-check ko, Love It, under pala siya ni WeFund. So, i-check natin yung sinasabi kong credit card na Itechuar. Yeah. Pretty much para siyang kagaya ni Atomi na meron siyang card which is a buy now pay later app na meron na nga siyang credit card, may cash loan pa siya. Si One Hand, meron siyang standalone na personal loan or cash loan product. Okay? Meron din siyang TikTok Pay Later which is under din ni WeFund, hindi ba? And eto, meron na silang credit card which is a separate app siya. Hindi siya within the One Hand app. So, separate app siya. Tignan natin itong sinasabi kong Itechuaria. As you can see, dito sa App Store. So, available siya, I believe, sa Play Store din. Kasi sa akin, sa App Store ako nag-check. So, we are going to discuss in this video yung application process ni Love It. Okay? I-discuss natin paano yung application. Paano ba mag-apply dyan, Team Marcos? Pwede ba ako dyan? I-check natin kung pwede ka dito. O by the way, kung bago ka lang dito sa aking channel, baka naman mag-subscribe ka na. I-click mo na yung subscribe button here. At saka kung nakikita mo Itechuaria, yung bell icon na yan, paki-click na yan kasi yan ang susi ng pagtsatsaga mong manood dito sa channel na to. Kasi every time na magkakaroon tayo ng ganitong mga review, kayong unang majajambo na ng Chika Bombom. And of course, meron din tayong mga social media accounts. Pa-follow na rin ako sa aking Facebook at saka sa TikTok kasi dun tayo nag-update, nagpo-post ng mga kung anik-anik na update sa mga pautangan na yan. At sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala sa akin, welcome sa ating Team Marcos channel kung saan nagre-review po tayo ng financial products and services including credit cards, loans, savings at mga jola. O, hinihimay-himay po natin ang mga legit na mga Ola at saka hindi legit, yung mga fly-by-night para magkaroon po tayo ng awareness kung ano yung dapat na applyan natin ng mga lenders. O, hindi po masamang umutang ha. Basta maging responsable lang po tayong utangera. Hay nako, tara na at naghihintay na itong si Love It. Charis. So, Love It, ex Juna? Ha? Ano? Junahan pala siya. Okay, which is a sister company din ni One Hand. Napagbabaliktad ko kasi parang nagmumukha din siyang One Hand eh. Isang letra lang yung One Hand na, 'di ba? So, Junahan pala siya. Shop Smart Pay Later. Kasi first time ko din na ihimay-himay ito. So, ever use a card to unlock your life? Unlock your life? Talaga? Bakit unlock your life? Charas. Shop anywhere you want at 0% interest up to 40 days. Wow, para siyang umaatome. 'Di ba? Meron din siyang paganyan yung parang 0% interest. So, mas Salmon Credit siya. Si Salmon Credit parang may 60 days 0% interest din siya, no? Okay. Tapos, have you ever been restricted by a low limit? Sabi niya ganon. Why pay all at once? Split smart. Sabi niya, eto na yung installment nila or buy now, pay later na tinatawag. Skip all the tedious steps. Get approval in 90 seconds. Wow! Napakabilis ng 90 seconds na yan ha. Check natin ang kanyang pagkakakilanlan. Love It. Shop Smart. Pay later. As a young professional, you deserve to explore life's moments without burden. Love It card gives you the freedom to shop now and pay later in easy 3 or 6-month installments. So, ito yung features niya mga mima. Buy now, pay later with a 0% interest up to 40 days. After the monthly bill is incurred, you can choose to split purchases into monthly installment with applied interest. Tapos very flexible ang kanyang terms which is 3 to 6 months payment plans. Tapos may high spending limits ka up to 200,000 pesos. Instant approval din siya kasi hindi mo na kailangan pumila sa traditional bank para magkaroon ka ng credit card. So, i-check natin ng mabuti bakit daw si Love It Card. Kasi shop stress-free daw. So, you avoid upfront costs, you save money, walang annual fees, no hidden fees. Wow! Talaga naman, easy access kasi one app lang siya for all your spending. So, hindi mo na kailangang mag-jump into napakaraming app. Like, yung iba dyan, yung ibang app na loan matching platform. Diba, ang dahil mga complicated, napaka-overwhelming kasi ang dami-dami mga lenders doon. Anyways, MasterCard advantage because you can use this card anywhere MasterCard is accepted. So, you can do it within the Philippines, within the country, and outside the country din siguro. Kasi MasterCard eh. So, i-check natin, paano ba ito? So, alam nyo naman na, may SEC registration yan. Legit na legit, Ang kanyang corporate name is WeFund Lending Corp. So, under nga talaga siya ni WeFund. Pero bago tayo tumungo dun sa application process niya, i-check muna natin tong ratings kasi meron siyang 3.2 na ratings. May nagbigay ng 3 star which is sinasabi niya dito, transaction declined. I got approved recently. I was given an ample spending limit. So, I tried to use it to buy an airline ticket since my spending limit can cover for it. However, to my surprise, after entering the OTP, I got a notif of transaction declined. It says, please check your spending limit or card settings. I wonder why my spending limit surely can cover it and the card settings? Sabi niya ganon. I don't know what to check. The only thing I see is view card details and one touch card lock. Of course, the card isn't locked. I tried to order food via Foodpanda and guess what it went through? Okay? So, pag airline ticket, hindi siya pumapasok. Pero kapag Foodpanda, nag-go through naman daw. So, maybe this Love It still has limitation in terms of which merchants it can be used. Even if the merchant has MasterCard payment, there is no guarantee it could work. Thus, it's trial and error. So, parang nasa trial and error pa lang siya. Nakakaloka. So, di ba dapat kapag MasterCard, anywhere MasterCard is accepted? Balikan natin yung sinabi niya dito. Yung sa features niya kanina, MasterCard Advantage, trusted by partnered. Okay. Partnered lang pala. So, kailangan partner merchants mo gagamitin itong MasterCard na ite para magamit mo itong Love It na ito. Diba? So, hindi pala lahat. Baka on the works pa lang or in process pa lang kasi kabago-bago pa lang ni Love It, hindi ba? So, may mga pinipiling merchants lang siya. Diba? Hindi gaya nung traditional na credit card na alam natin, your typical credit card na kahit saan mo gamitin, basta MasterCard or Visa is accepted, mag-go through yan. Okay, so I understand now. Tapos, eto, may problema din daw. App problems. I can help you write a review, but I'll keep it firm and honest without exaggerating or making claims that could get flagged. Here's a solid app store review you can post. The app has serious issues when it comes to form validation and usability. Pare-pareho yung kanilang review. Tapos 2 star. I got approved and spent to order food but now I can't seem to use the remaining amount or balance regardless of the spending limit granted to me. My purchase gets declined with the reason to check my spending limit or card settings. Hala, pare-pareho ang kanilang issue. Inaccurate, sabi pa nung isa. May mga nag 5 star din dito flexible, transparent, and actually useful. Awesome app. Mga ganyan. Okay? So, kapag i-check nyo mabuti muna ito bago kayo mag-apply. Pero anyways, ganyan naman kasi kapag mga bago-bago pa lang, hindi ba? May mga limitations. At saka, hindi lahat ng paggamitan mo mag-go through. So, may mga partner merchants siguro sila. So, sa mga may Love It card na dyan, pa-comment naman kung nakakaranas din kayo ng same scenario kagaya nila. Well, anyways, ganito yung app niya, Love It, anytime, anywhere. Paano namin malalove it kung anytime, hindi namin siya magagamit anywhere? Kasi may pinipili lang po kayong merchant or limit lang po yung merchants na partner ninyo. Bakit ganon? MasterCard siya. So, dapat yung MasterCard, anywhere MasterCard is accepted, dapat mag-go through po siya. Bakit ganon? WeFund. Charot. So, nag-sign up ako para makapag-apply kasi syempre alam naman natin legit and I'm gonna try myself kung gagana ba siya or what not. So, syempre, I entered my phone number tapos may pa-OTP na siya. And then, I set up my password as well. And then, there you go. Napakabilis. Ganun lang siya. Ito na yung bungad sa akin. 0% interest up to 200,000 pesos limit. High limit, chill split, live it. Sabi niya ganon. So, syempre, check muna tayo ng mga ka-impormasyon dito bago tayo mag-apply. So, i-check natin what is the Love It card. A first card made easy for you. Skip tedious traditional bank processes. Apply entirely via our app with approval in as fast as 90 seconds. Okay. Partnered with global payment leader MasterCard, we supports virtual card spending in the Philippines. Ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, ito yung kanyang process ng pag-apply. All you have to do is to download the Love It Card app and then sign up with a phone number like what I did. So, syempre, nag-provide tayo ng basic information din, which is pretty much, diba, ganun yung process or standard operating procedure when it comes to application process ng mga credit card. Anyways, why Love It stands out daw? Nag-stand out ba talaga ang Love It for now? Baka hindi pa kasi nga, bago-bago pa lang siya eh. Sabi niya, effortless sign up daw. So, 90-second approval, no ATM lines or paperwork, secure transactions, first-timer friendly kasi walang annual fee daw, MasterCard Advantage, trusted by 100 million plus merchants worldwide. Use it anywhere in the Philippines, sabi niya eh. So, parang merong contradicting pa rin dito sa part na to. Anywhere eh. Anywhere in the Philippines. When you say anywhere, dapat anywhere MasterCard is accepted in the Philippines. Hindi ba? So, syempre, may physical card sila, may virtual card din. Set up your card for online and in-store transactions. So, ganyan-ganyan siya. And then, meron siyang interest-free na promo, which is a 40 days interest-free. So, ganito daw siya. First, know your 2 key dates. So, kailangan malaman mo yung billing date mo at saka due date mo. When your monthly statement is generated, detailing all your transactions, tapos yung due date, deadline for paying your bill in full or split bill to avoid interest charges. These 2 dates determine the length of your interest-free window. So, kailangan alam mo yan para ma-monitor mo, matrack mo kung hanggang kailan yung 40 days interest-free na period. So, ganyan siya. May example naman siya. So, check nyo yung app kapag mag-a-apply na kayo. Eto na. Syempre, mag-a-apply na ako. So, ito yung kanyang features na sinasabi, which is the 40 days 0% interest-free, okay, on purchases when you pay on time in full. And then may installment services which is very flexible to manage your cash flow. Meron din siyang virtual card plus physical card, which is sabi niya dito limited offer lang yung physical card. Kasi nga bago-bago pa lang itong si Love It card. So maybe they are still working on it. Hindi natin alam. And free virtual card for secure online purchases, physical card for in-store spending, no miscellaneous fees like annual fees or hidden charges. Walang mga ganon. So, pretty much the same with the other, naman, di ba, pautangan na buy now, pay later na may credit card like Atome, like Salmon Credit, may mga ganyan, no annual fee na sila talaga. Tapos, card using security ensured, sabi niya ganon. Kasi nga, it's a MasterCard. It's backed by the local bank, AUB din, ensuring transaction security. So, issued by AUB yung card. Talaga. Okay, anyways, 3 steps to get your card. So, you have to submit a valid ID, fill the application form, and complete live photo verification or identity verification. So, ngayon mag-a-apply na ako. Sabi niya dito, take a look at your physical card. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Walang other design. Ito lang talaga. Vibrant, brilliant green, embodying youthful personality. Taray ng youthful personality. So, syempre, in-accept ko yung terms and conditions and nag-proceed na ako. And then, identity information. Ito yung mga ID na tinatanggap na UMID, National, SSS, Passport, Driver's License, and of course, may other options din dyan. Pero, recommended kasi itong mga UMID, National, SSS, Passport, and Driver's License. So, syempre, I fill out personal information. Okay, nandyan na. Tapos, contact person information na, which is isa lang yung kinukuha kasi contact lang naman contact reference lang to. Yung nanay ko na yung binigay ko dyan. Tapos, work information, I also provide my work information. And then, dito sa baba, hinihingi din yung kung kailan yung sahod mo. Kasi ang sahod naman talaga natin is twice per month. So, kinsenas katapusan. So, nilagay ko dyan. And then, yung bill date, you have to choose also available bill date na nakalagay dyan. And then, you confirm your card delivery address. So, syempre, ilalagay mo yung delivery address mo dyan. Tapos, confirm. Tapos, selfie to verify your face daw. Ganyan. So, after selfie verification, eto na, under review na siya. Your information has been submitted. The result is expected within 3 working days. Please be patient. Sabi niya ganon. So, after a few seconds, actually, ang bilis niya. Ang bilis ng resulta, After a few seconds, na-declined. Rejected po tayo. Yes. Come back in 29 days. Sabi niya. Oops, your application wasn't approved at this time. We're looking forward to your application. Oh, rejected tayo mga mima. So, yun lang. Napakabilis ng kanyang resulta, rejected agad. Well, aminado naman ako, marereject ako. Ina-expect ko na yung marereject ako, tita, kasi under siya ni One Hand. Under siya ni WeFund, di ba? So, may mga overdue pa ako kay One Hand, na binabayaran ko. So, parang 80 days na akong overdue, sa aking One Hand. Nakakaloka. So, anyways, i-clear ko muna, babayaran ko naman yung mga utang ko sa One Hand. Saka ako mag-a-apply ulit. Hopefully, mabayaran ko na kasi naka-multiple loans yun may mga charges na ako doon na-incur o nakakaloka. Anyways, kung hindi kayo ma-approve sa mga ganitong mga pautangan like this, like credit card, we have alternative cash loan naman na pwedeng yung utangan or i-reconsider. They are good as emergency or urgent needs. Hindi mo sila gagawing typical cash loan or regular loan because they are good as emergency lang po. So, kung interesado kayo, meron akong legit links dito sa comment section. I-check nyo lang yan para ma-direct na agad kayo dun sa application process at iwas scam na rin. So, dapat dito lang kayo mag-refer sa aking mga recommended alternative cash loan mga mima. And of course, kung mag-a-apply kayo, always read the terms and conditions before applying. Huwag kayong basta click lang or apply ng apply. I-check nyo muna, basahin nyo yung terms and conditions. And huwag kakalimutang maging responsable, jutangera. Maraming salamat mga mima. Don't forget to subscribe. Till our next video. Pa-comment naman mga mima, ano masasabi nyo dito kay Love It Card. Do you really love it? I-approve mo muna ako. Charat!